Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C programming tutorial, in this session, we are going to see the topic variables in C language. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic now. Variables. First of all, what is a variable? A variable is the meaningful name given to the memory location where the data value is stored. So, while we are working with program, while we are writing program, we have to give some input values to our program. So, that data value has to be stored in the memory location, in the computer memory location. So, for that computer memory location, we have to provide a name. That name is called as variable here. A variable refers to the address of the memory location. A variable is nothing but that is the address of the memory location in computer memory. A variable is a data name that is used to store a value. A variable is simply used to store the values. A variable is any valid identifier that may take different values at different times during the program execution. That is, the value of a variable can be changed during the program execution. So, a value which is stored inside a variable that can be changed during the program execution. So, a variable is used to change its value. A variable is declared and initialized by using a data type. To declare a variable, we have to specify a data type first. A variable must be declared or initialized before they are used. So, before using a variable in our program, we have to declare the variable first. A variable name may consist of alphabets, digits and underscores. Next, we will see what are the rules for declaring variable names. The following are some rules to be followed while naming a variable. First one is variable name must begin with an alphabet or an underscore. So, always a variable name starts with an alphabet or with an underscore, but not with digit. A variable name may contain letters, digits and underscores. Variable name cannot include any special characters except underscores. So, here in variable name we don't have to provide any special character, any symbol, only the underscore only accepted. No other symbols are accepted here. Keywords should not be used as variable names. So, keywords are already reserved words. Variable names are user defined names. So, we don't have to use any keyword as a variable name. Variable name length should be of 31 characters only. So, variable name length should be 31 characters, means it should not exceed 31 characters, it should be equal to 31 or less than 31. Variable names are case sensitive, that is uppercase and lowercase names are different. So, here variable names are case sensitive, means uppercase is different, lowercase is different. See the example here, uppercase sum and lowercase sum, these two are not equivalent, these both are different from each other. White spaces and blank spaces are not allowed within the name. So, when you are naming your variable, inside between the name we don't have to provide any white space, any blank space. So, we can if in case you want to provide your name with two words, then you can use only underscore between the words, but you don't have to provide any space between those words. These are the rules for declaring variable names. Next, we will see the declaration of a variable. How to declare a variable? Each variable in the program must be declared before it is used. So, in your program, if you want to use a variable, then you have to declare the variable first. To declare a variable, specify the data type for the variable followed by its name as follows. So, to declare a variable in C language, we have to provide a data type for that variable. and that data type, after that data type we have to provide a variable name. So let's see the syntax is data type space variable name semicolon. Let's see the example for it. Int a, here int is the data type, a is the variable name. The data type says what type of data a variable stores. Here data type is used to indicate which type of values are being stored into a variable. In the above example, a is the variable and it stores integer values. C allows multiple variables of same data type to be declared in one statement as int abc. Here observe this, int a comma b comma c semicolon. So this is the statement. Here a b c, these are three variables. These three variables are belong to integer data type. So these abc variables are used to store integer values, and these three variables are declared in only one line statement. Next, we will see initialization of a variable. First of all, what is initialization? Initialization is the process of assigning the values to a variable. So values assigning into a variable is called as initialization here. So we are providing some values to the variables now. A variable can be initialized with some value as follows. Syntax. This is the syntax to initialize a variable. So here variable name equals to value semicolon. Example for that, a equals to 10. So in this statement, in this example, a is the variable, 10 is the value. So here 10 is the integer, this value 10, this 10 is going to be stored into a. Now a holds the value 10. Next, while declaring the variable also, we can initialize with a value as follows. So at the time of declaration of the variable, also we can initialize the values. Means at the time of declaration of the variable, we can assign the values are also. So let's see how. Syntax, the data type space variable name, data type space variable name equals to value semicolon. Let's see the example for this. Int space a equals to 10. Here int is the data type, a is the variable and 10 is the value. So this 10 is the value is going to be assigned to a variable. Next, we will see a C program for addition with variables. See here, we are going to write a C language program to perform addition operation with the help of variables. Let's see the program now. See here, this is the program which I wrote and I compiled already. So I already compiled this program. I already got output for this program. So that this program I am going to share with you. Okay. See here, in this program, hash include stdio.h. This is the stdio.h header file. We are going to link with our program. Next is int main. So here the program execution starts here, opening brace. In next line, int a equals to 10, comma b equals to 20, comma c semicolon. Here in one line we are declaring three variables. In that three variables, two variables are initialized. A is initialized with 10, b is initialized with 20. So a is having 10, b is having 20 and c is just declared, not initialized here. Okay, in the next line, c equals to a plus b. So here we are performing addition operation on the variables a and b. The result will be stored in c, stored in the variable c. In the next line, we are going to print the value c, means printf, the total is %d. Here %d is the format specifier for integer. In the place of %d, the value will be displayed. The value is inside the variable c. So this is the program, and let's see now. This is the program. So if we run this program, we will get the output of this. So this is the output of this program. The total is 30. Carefully observe here. Once observe here, %d is the format specifier for integer I told, right? So here the total is as it is displayed on the output. The total is at the place of %d, 30 is displayed. So this 30, from where it is came? From C variable. So %d is the integer format specifier. That's why C value is replaced with %d symbol here. So this is the topic. I hope you learned about variables topic. This is only part 1 of the variable, and within soon I will upload part 2 of the variables also. Next, please subscribe this channel, watch and share the videos to see more computer science subject videos. Please subscribe, watch, like and share. Thank you guys. I am providing the links of another C language topics. If you want to learn those topics also, you can watch the videos by using the links in description. Thank you.